Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious tacos, step by step. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 1 pound of ground meat, like beef or turkey, or a tasty plant-based option. Don't forget your taco shells, whether soft flour tortillas or crunchy corn shells, have about 12 ready. Prepare your favorite toppings, like fresh lettuce, ripe tomatoes, and a generous sprinkle of cheese. Getting everything ready beforehand makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's cook that delicious filling. Place your 1 pound of ground meat into a large skillet over medium heat. Break it up with a spoon and cook until fully browned, which takes about 8 to 10 minutes. Once cooked, carefully drain any excess grease to keep your tacos light and flavorful. Then, stir in about 2 tablespoons of your favorite taco seasoning and 1/2 cup of water. Let it simmer for 5 to 7 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld and the liquid to reduce. While your filling simmers, let's get those toppings and shells ready. Finely shred 1 head of crisp lettuce and dice 2 ripe tomatoes into small, even pieces. Grate about 4 ounces of your favorite cheese, like sharp cheddar or Monterey Jack. For the shells, warm them up as directed on the package. This usually means a few minutes in the oven or microwave for soft tortillas, or a quick bake for crispy shells. Having everything prepped makes assembly a breeze. Finally, the best part, assembly. Lay out all your delicious components: the warm taco shells, the savory meat filling, and all your fresh toppings. Take each taco shell and spoon in about 2 to 3 tablespoons of the seasoned meat. Then, pile on your favorite toppings: a generous amount of shredded lettuce, diced tomatoes, and that grated cheese. Don't forget a dollop of sour cream or a spoonful of salsa. Serve them up right away and savor every bite of your homemade tacos.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.